Hello everyone, welcome to COMPUTEX 2025. I'm your host Ying Yin from NVIDIA Product Management. It's a true pleasure to be here in Taiwan, a home for NVIDIA for over 3 decades, and the heart of so many of our invaluable partnerships. Our CEO Jensen Huang talked about many exciting technologies, and let's get to it. Jensen began by redefining the modern computer not as a standalone PC or server, but as a full-scale data center operating as a unified AI-driven computing system. These new data centers, or AI factories, transform energy into tokens of intelligence, marking a fundamental shift in how computation powers innovation. At the heart of this transformation is NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell platform, now in full production. The new NVIDIA Grace Blackwell Ultra delivers 1.5x the inference performance, with groundbreaking engineering that includes dual-chip connectivity, TSMC's advanced CoWoS-L packaging, and the unveiled spine, which enables 130 terabytes per second of all-to-all GPU bandwidth across 72 NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra GPUs, effectively creating a massive single virtual GPU. NVIDIA also introduced NVLink Fusion, an open and flexible approach to NVLink that allows partners to tightly integrate their own CPUs, ASICs, and accelerators with NVIDIA Blackwell and the upcoming Rubin architecture. This marks a leap forward for semi-custom AI infrastructure solutions tailored to diverse workloads and industries. To further accelerate the enterprise shift to AI-powered infrastructure, NVIDIA's ecosystem partners, spanning major players from ASUS, ASRock Rack, Foxconn, Gigabyte, Inventec, Mytek, MSI, Pegatron, QCT, Supermicro, Wistron, and WeWing, will offer RTX Pro servers built to handle the demands of enterprise AI factory environments. One of the most exciting announcements was the NVIDIA Enterprise AI Platform accelerates $1 trillion global IT investment. NVIDIA AI Data Platform, a purpose-built storage system that can semantically query unstructured data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Paired with NVIDIA AIQ, this platform tackles one of AI's biggest bottlenecks, extracting meaning from massive amounts of raw, unstructured data. Finally, the keynote showcased the NVIDIA MGX ecosystem component availability, featuring data center infrastructure innovations from over 60 global suppliers. This includes MGX components support NVIDIA GB300 NVL72 liquid-cooled systems and high-power architectures, all highlighting substantial mechanical, thermal, and electrical solutions, laying the groundwork of NVIDIA's next-generation product launches and widespread adoption. From silicon to systems to AI factory, we cannot make it without you. Thank you, Taiwan.